Hello viewers, welcome to Elim TV, a station where you watch, learn and also interact. Your tutor today is Mr. Wanyoike, a mathematics teacher. In today's lesson, we are in Form 4, lesson number 26, and the topic is statistics 2, and the subtopic is calculation of median, especially whose summation frequency is equal to an even number. On to the lesson objectives. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to calculate a median for a given data whose summation of frequency is equal to an on an even number. On to the calculation, you are supposed to use this formula here, and the formula which is well illustrated for you there. The formula states median term is n, you divide by 2, and median is calculated as is equal to L plus n divided by 2, you subtract CF, then you divide by F, then everything you multiply by I, which is the class interval. In the previous lesson, I defined each and every the meaning of each and every letter which has been used in this formula. So in this lesson, I will just go direct to the application of the formula. You have a question here, and you are supposed to calculate the mathematical median score. And as far as this data given here, you have the classes ranging from 20 to 29, number of students who scored that 3, 30 to 39, 2 students, 40 to 49, 6 students, 50 to 59, 4 students, 60 to 69, 1 student, 70 to 79, 2 students, and finally 80 to 89, only 1 student. And you are supposed to come up with a frequency distribution table. As you can see it where it is presented here, the marks you put them on the marks column, and the frequency you put it in the frequency column, and also the frequency represents the number of students, and the midpoint you come up with the column of midpoint, that is the second column. And therefore, how do we calculate, or how do you fill the midpoint column? You take 20, you add to 29, then the resulting answer you divide it by 2, and therefore you will get 20 plus 29, you will get 49 divided by 2, you get 24.5, and you follow that procedure until you fill all the midpoint column. The cumulative frequency column, you're supposed to start with the 3, the first frequency 3, then you add it step by steps. 3 you add to the second frequency, to the second frequency, which is 2, you get 5, you add 6, you get 11, and you move on adding until you get the last cumulative frequency as 20. On to the next level, it comes to the calculation now. Now you can apply the formula in the calculation. You can see that the median term is equal to 10, because the total frequency was 20 divided by 2, you will get 10. And therefore you go to the table once again, back, you move back, and you will find that 10 lies at the 11 as far as cumulative frequency is concerned. Then you move across up to where we have the class between 40 to 49, and you take the lower class limit, and the lower class limit in this case is 40 is 39.5, and therefore you are supposed to write 30.9, which will represent the L. Then you add, you open the bracket, then you write 10, you subtract 5. 5 is the cumulative frequency above the median term, as you can see in the table there. What is above 11? It is 5. Then you put that 5, then you divide everything by the frequency of the median term, which is 6 in this case. And after dividing that, you are supposed to get the number being 10, you subtract 5, you will get 5. 5 you divide by 6, then you multiply by 10, and you are supposed to get 8.33. Then you take 8.33, you add it to 39.5, and the resultant answer will give you 47.83, and that is the median mark of that particular class. On to the next area. We have come to the end of today's lesson, and I'm going to mark the end of this lesson by giving you this data so that you can calculate the median score. use this data to calculate the median score. Onto the reference, you can refer from the following this book, that is KLB Secondary Mathematics Student Book for 4th edition, and the publisher is the Kenya Literature Bureau. For more information, you can contact us at Elim TV using the following addresses. Using the following addresses, that is the
Imesharuwa activity. Acha nitaweka.